In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do competitor analysis in Ubersuggest. Competitor research helps you see what's already working in your market so you can prioritize the right content, keywords, and links. We'll walk through the essential reports that reveal your rivals' top pages, their highest value keywords, and the backlinks powering their rankings. Start by opening your browser and searching for Ubersuggest. Choose the official website from the results to make sure you're using the genuine tool. Once you're on the homepage, sign in. Being signed in ensures you can access the full set of reports and view consistent data as you analyze. To discover which content is truly moving the needle for a rival, head to Top Pages by Traffic. Enter a competitor's domain and let the report load. Here you'll see the specific URLs on their site that bring in the most estimated organic visits. Open a few standout pages and note what makes them successful: the topics they cover, the content format, and the search intent they satisfy. The report also shows top keywords for each page, which helps you understand why that page ranks and what queries you may want to target with your own content. Next, check Keywords by Traffic for a deeper look at their search footprint. This view lists the keywords your competitor ranks for, their positions, search volume, and estimated traffic per term. Pay close attention to keywords with strong volume and a cost per click that implies commercial intent. These are often the phrases that drive leads or sales. If you see terms where they rank mid-page, that can indicate opportunities to create better, more comprehensive content and potentially outrank them. Backlinks are a major ranking factor, and Ubersuggest makes it easy to evaluate them. In Backlinks Overview, enter a competitor's domain to see total backlinks and referring domains. Scan for trends like steady growth over time and look at the pages earning the most links. This highlights which assets attract attention in your niche and can inspire similar but original resources on your own site. Finally, use backlink opportunity. Add your site along with multiple competitors, and the tool will surface websites that link to them but not to you. This is your ready-made outreach list. Prioritize authoritative, relevant sites, tailor your pitch to the content they link to, and always aim to provide clear value. That's it. With Ubersuggest, a quick sweep of top pages, keywords by traffic, and the 2 backlink reports gives you a practical roadmap to outpace competitors.